Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing amzapplications.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that you get paid to review products on Amazon. So if you're wondering if this is very legit or not, we have it here on Malware Tips and see that they are actually a scam. So they actually have a $750 Amazon gift card, and which is very too good to be true. So as you can see, apply AMZ.com uses Amazon's logo and colors for authenticity, countdown timers to create urgency, fake testimonials to show real users, quote unquote, earn big money, and step-by-step visuals to make the process look simple. So the real goal of the scam is to harvest your personal data, which is the goal of most of these scam websites, and push you through affiliate deals, get you to sign up for paid trials, and install malicious apps or software on your device. So step 1 is the hook, then data collection, simple deals trap, and endless loop, and no reward, only risk. So please stop falling for traps like these, since they're very too good to be true and very obviously a scam. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.